Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamora Engineer desu. In this video, we will tackle problem number 9 of conic section circle. So let us take a look at the given. So for problem number 9, we have the given equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 27. So that is the given. That is the given. So realizing that our format is like this, okay, so I already so we have the given equation and the format. I already put the 0 here because x squared already, there is no number that subtracts from x, so therefore x minus 0 is equal to x squared, y minus 0 is just equal to y squared, and r squared is 27, so therefore we can solve for r. What is r? Square root of 27. So that is square root of 27. That is our radius. And what about the center? We already put 0, 0. Therefore, the center is at the origin. So we already solved the requirements of the problem, which is radius equal to square root of 27 and center 0, 0. If you want to solve the radius is equal to square root of 27, just use your calculator and take the square root of 27, and that is the answer. Okay, use your calculator and take the square root of 27. That is 5 point something, 5 point some decimal points. Okay. Okay, so that is all about problem number 9. See you on problem number 10. This is Dr. DrEYPEI, preaching engineering for nation building.